Hello, good morning. Good morning, good people. How are you today? Now, today, I want to appreciate people in Kenya who really work hard to help others. Now, today, I have a list of two people who have really worked hard to help the youth, the vulnerable, women, and the elderly. Now, number one today is Oga Obinna the Top, the only Nigerian man who can speak a Luo language. That man has really helped the youth so much. And you give credit where it deserves. Oga Obinna, kudos. What you've done for the youth of Nairobi is very good. And we appreciate you so much. Number two is Lang'ata 001, Jalango mwenyewe. Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa. What you are doing for the youth is commendable. And we appreciate you for that. It is good to give flowers to people while still alive. That's why today I came out to say and appreciate you guys. Those two guys, Oga Obinna and Lang'ata 001. Nyinyi watu mnafanya kazi nzuri kwa youth. Asanteni sana.